This is the Realme Smart Bulb, and smartphone companies, alongside selling rebranded phones and multiple models with kind of identical spec sheet, are also selling smart wearables, lighting, toothbrush, even t-shirts, shoes and bags. Seems like they're gonna start selling groceries soon. Anyways, let's jump into the unboxing. It is a pretty neat packaging, and let us appreciate the fact that Realme maintains the same color palette among almost all their product boxes, so that it gives kind of a unique identity to them, especially when their products are showcased in an offline store. After opening the box, right on the top is the bulb itself, and you get documentation, general user manual, and special guides for Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa voice controls. So this is the bulb, the 12 watts variant of the bulb. Without connecting it with your phone, it is just an ordinary white LED bulb. So first of all, let me tell you about the initial setup process. In order to connect with the bulb, just download the Realme Link companion app on your phone. So inside the app, click the plus icon which is found at the top, and then select lighting, and there under the list of options available, choose Realme Smart Bulb. And I realized that's the only option available there, so just select it and connect to any Wi-Fi network near you. Actually, I don't have a router here, so I've just connected to my other phone's hotspot network. So no matter whether it is a smartphone or a router, all you need is just a constant Wi-Fi connection which will act as a communication bridge between the phone and the bulb. Make sure to select the desired network and enter its password in the Realme Link app. Now connect the bulb to a power source, turn the bulb on for 2 seconds and off for 2 seconds. Repeat these steps for 5 times. So after 5 times, when you turn on the bulb, if the light pulses as if it were breathing, then it is now ready to connect. Check I've performed the above steps option and click next on the phone. Now switch to the Wi-Fi network with the name Realme-Light-SL-4 random characters, so it will be depending upon your bulb. And now just wait for the bulb to pair with the phone in the Realme Link app. Once you do this process, your device can control the bulb as long as the bulb is connected to that Wi-Fi network chosen during the initial setup. So you get all the basic smart lighting stuff here. In the companion app, on the white tab, you can choose between different variants of white, either warm, neutral or cool white, from 1700 kelvins to 6500 kelvins of color temperature. And you can adjust the brightness of the light right here using the slider below. And next, in the color tab, you can choose between 16 million colors, as you get on almost every smart light, but I think one feature is lacking here. Instead of just including a simple color picker, they might have included an option to have custom RGB value inputs or custom hexadecimal code inputs, so that we can give a particular color as an input to the light. And the last tab gives you preset scenarios, that is light suitable for things like reading, working, relaxing or even sleeping. And apart from these things, you get the option to set timers to turn off the light automatically after a set time. So this will help a lot with power saving. And it also has music sync feature, but there is a small disadvantage here because the bulb has no built-in microphones in it, so it will be using your smartphone's mic for this feature. Whether you listen to music, sing a song, play a song, or even talk something, the bulb will react to you by changing its colors matching the rhythm. So this is just an example of how it works. Finally, apart from using your phone to control the bulb, you can also use your Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant smart speakers if you have one. And also, if you have a Realme watch with you, then there is a good chance that your watch will get a feature to control all the AIoT products of Realme as per their promise through a software update. Now, speaking about the company's promises, let's take a deep look into the company's claims about this bulb. So when you head to the product page of this bulb in the official Realme Link site, the Luminous Flux mentioned there. So first of all, let me tell you what is Luminous Flux. It is the energy radiated over the wavelength sensitive to human eyes per second. So the Luminous Flux of the 12 watts variant, which I have right now, is 1000 lumens as per their website. But when you take a look at the box of the product, it is mentioned 1100 lumens. But I tested this product against a typical non-smart 12 watts LED bulb. They almost give you the same brightness. And the next claim is even a step above that. It has a lifespan of 13 years. 13 years. Wait, don't get too excited, just take a look at that asterisk symbol. So it is based on the data collected from the Realme lab. So according to the lab reports, it can last up to 25,000 hours as a whole, using 5 hours a day for 13 years. It seems to be a bit of an over-exaggerated claim because as per my knowledge, an average LED bulb can last up to 10,000 to 15,000 hours. But we can't come to a conclusion right now, so let me use it for 13 years and tell you after that, if I still remember it after 13 years. These claims doesn't mean that it is a bad product. It is good. It is absolutely good. You get cool stuff like voice control, music sync feature, preset scenarios, 16 million colors, and a good amount of brightness control. To be honest, it is not just the Realme bulb. For almost every tech product, we have at least one over-exaggerated claim. They just do it to attract the customers, so we cannot mistake them. But please make sure to read about it properly through an article or just watch a good review video before purchasing any product. And speaking about the price of this Realme bulb, the 9-watt variants cost around $11 and the 12 watts variant which I got is around $13. Actually, these are just converted prices. I converted them from the local Indian currency, but the global prices aren't available yet because the bulb hasn't been launched globally yet. So after the global launch, if the prices are available, I will update them in the description. So if you're planning to get this Realme bulb, go for it. It is actually a good product. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you did enjoy this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.